This video I'm going to show you how to take apart the bed sidewall. We're doing the right side. You have the upper and the lower, and that's what we're going to be taking off in this one. Super easy. Should be a few clips for this rubber piece, a few clips for the upper, and then we have some 7 bolts, I believe. 7 bolts we have to take apart for the lower. First part, if you haven't removed it yet, we are going to take the rubber piece off. So you pop that out, just a little pin, and this should come out too. So rubber piece is off. There is a little piece, don't rip it out, because towards the front of this panel it does go behind it and you don't want to rip that. So once you have that off, you'll want to take off the rubber one. There's a few plastic pins in the back, real easy to pop out. And then from there, you're going to want to pop the plastic panel back. There's 3 clips that you want to pop out. Just be careful. I'll use a screwdriver to help me get them out so it didn't break anything. And then the last clip is towards the top here. And it's probably the hardest one to get out. So just be careful. I ended up breaking it, but I'm sure you can get it out without breaking it. And now we will take the upper panel off. It should just be a few clips. And of course, some type of double-sided sticky or Velcro. Looks like we're going to want to take the bottom panel off first. You don't want to pull on the top. So to show you what I'm doing here, there are these white clips here. They go into this little slot all the way down. This clip goes into this slot. And all I'm doing with the screwdriver to help assist is I'm taking that screwdriver and I'm pushing down on the back of the clip as I pull the panel off. Alright, so we have our upper side panel off now. Before we actually take this panel off, we want to disconnect our light, our bed light. So just take a screwdriver, really carefully pull that out, and you should be able to pinch it and lift up, remove that cable. So there is a zip tie there. You should not worry about losing your cable by letting it go. If you are, just zip tie it up somewhere else. For this next part, we will use our 10mm. You have 4 bolts up here, and then you have your 15mm. You've got a bolt here, and then our last one, we will need a 13mm, and that's going to be for this bolt here, and then the bolt towards the front. Now we'll get into this. You have that one 15mm bolt in the rear. You also have a small nut right here. You want to take that off also. We're going to get in here, take these nuts out. Then lift up on the bottom, pull it out. It should come out very easily for the most part. If it's hard, then you probably missed a nut or a bolt, so just double check. There is plenty of room in the cavity to run additional wire or whatever it might be for custom mods that you guys want to do. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and subscribe as I continue to tear the Cybertruck apart. Hopefully these videos are helping you out on your endeavors or mods or whatever it might be. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe.